welcome to School2. If you give me your heart, I know go cause you pay. No be today. My love for you not die. You getting me say no problem. Hello. You ringing in my.
Hello, my dear. Good afternoon. How are you?
Good afternoon.
Yeah, my name is Abari. I'm a big boy. People know me. There's nobody that does not know me in this area. So as we were passing, I was looking at you and said, how can a normal human being be as beautiful as Mami Water? You are doing fine, eh?
Thanks for the compliment.
Don't mention. So I was just thinking that maybe I should just come and meet you, introduce myself to you. I like fine girls like you. I want us to be friends if you don't mind. So where are you going to?
I'm going to the island.
Island? Yeah. Is that where you stay?
Yes.
Hey, so you don't even stay around?
No.
Hey. Nice.
I actually came to visit my friend.
Okay.
Visit my friend.
Okay. No problem. Is it Keke you will use and go? Or?
My driver is coming to pick me up.
Driver? Yeah. So you still believe in all these drivers? Don't mind all these drivers. Drivers can disappoint sometimes. Don't mind drivers. I'm a generous person. I'm a big boy. Just manage this 5K. No, don't mention. People know me. I'm a good person. You know this quarantine season, it's not good for somebody to be staying alone. So I don't know if you have chance tomorrow, so you can let us quarantine us.
It's okay. You can call me. No problem. Yes.
Are you serious? So please, can I have your number before you go, please? My phone is inside. Let me give you my number so that you...
Oh, sorry, my phone is down.
The phone is down. Anyway, okay, I have a pen here because me too, my phone is inside. I'm charging it. Call your number for me. I will call you when I go.
Okay, 070
070
24
24
29
22 49
55 30 37.
Be expecting my call. Highest in the next 1 hour, I will call you. If I call you, call at time. Hey, what is that your name again?
I'm Joy.
Joy. Joy, you. I will call you. Hi.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me.
Good afternoon.
Hey! Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. Yes, we are from NCDC.
Nigeria Center for Disease Control. I am Miss Isolation.
I'm Mr. Quarantine.
You think so? They wise?
We are sent by the federal government to give you some things.
Federal government?
Yes,
from the federal government.
Hey!
We have some gift here. We have so many other things that I want to share to you. But before then, you have to sanitize your hands.
Okay.
Wash your hands.
So that we can give you the gift. Then we also send you money.
Oh, yeah,
so for that reason, you have to wash your hands first.
I'll wash.
Isolation.
How am I supposed to do it?
Scrub it very well in between your fingers. Make sure it's very clean.
Okay, sir. It's okay.
How many times do they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you? And they never leave.
So my hand sanitized like
that. No. You still have to sanitize your hands.
We have a sanitizer here.
Okay.
Which you just put.
Okay.
Just like
Jesus
this.
is Lord.
Scrub very well.
Okay.
And don't forget to do this regularly.
Okay. Wash your hand.
Sanitize.
And make sure you stay indoors. And make sure you observe distance.
Yes. Don't get in contact with too much people.
So now that you are free from coronavirus, on behalf of the government, the federal government,
and the NCDC,
we are here to present this to you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Don't forget to give my neighbors. Okay. Hey, NCDC, federal government.
Man know thyself. You don't know yourself. What? Funke? The world can be something else.
Hey! You will end up in McDonald's.
God can be something.
Thanks for watching a very funny School2 comedy, and thanks for always watching our comedy. We love you, and please keep watching our comedy, please, 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 and please don't forget to tell your friends to keep watching our comedy, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel.